Hey, imagine visiting a web page with only plain text, no pictures, no music, no videos. Quite boring, right? So that's where HTML media tags comes into play. They let us add life to our web pages. So as here you can see, we have a simple web page with our media tags included. So this was the audio tag, then the video tag. So we have these controls as well, like play and pause, then simply the iframe tag example, where we can simply play YouTube videos in our web pages. So today I'll show you how to use images, audios, videos, and iframes along with the most useful attributes you will actually need, and not just the basics. I'll also cover the most important attributes so you can use them confidently in your real projects as well. So first, let us simply have the example of our image tag. So with this tag, you can simply embed or maybe have any photos or images in your web page. So you simply need to have img tag, then you need to use src attribute, and here you need to give the link of the image, and that too you can give the link in two ways. First, either you can simply go to Google and search for any images you want. Let's say this Ferrari image. So you simply need to go to images, then simply select the image and right click and choose this option, that is copy image address. Then simply go to your src attribute and paste that. So see, you simply got the image of this car in your web page. So this was the first way to add images, and this is known as absolute link, as you copied the link from the website directly, that is Google. And the second way to simply add images to your web page, you simply need to download the image and simply add that image in the folder where you simply have this file, that is example.html. So let's say you downloaded the image and simply pasted the image in the same directory where you simply have this HTML file. So then what you can do, simply in place of this link that you just copied, you simply need to have a dot with a forward slash, and see, you will get the option of the downloaded image. Simply click that image. So right now, the size of the image is very large. What you can do, you can simply have some more useful attributes, that is simply the width and height. So let's say 300 and height simply 200. So see, now we got a controlled size for the image. So this way you can have any size you want for the images by using these two attributes, that is width and height. And let's say due to some reason your image haven't been loaded, like due to slow internet or maybe incorrect address of the image. So let's say the address of the image is simply image1. So let's say if you have wrong address, like instead of image1 simply the image, so that time what you can do, you can simply use alt tag, and in this tag you can define anything about the image. So this thing will be shown if your image has not been loaded. So let's say simply image not loaded. See, so this way you can tell the user what actually happened with the image. Then let's say you simply want to have a background music or simply a podcast on your website. So that time you can use simply the audio tag. So simply the audio tag. Then inside the audio tag, simply your source tag. And inside your source tag, simply use src again. So here also you need to do the same thing as you did for the images. Like either you can go to any website to have the link of the audio you want, or simply give the relative link as well. So for this, I already have the link. So simply the link of the audio you want. And for this audio tag, you also need to mention the type as well. Like simply a type attribute that would be simply audio slash the format of the audio you have. So now also it won't work because we need to have one more attribute for this. That is simply the controls. So first thing that we needed here is simply the source of the audio, then simply the type attribute with the format of the audio. Then again, we need to use this controls attribute to have our audio embedded in the web page. So now it will work. See, and you will also get some more controls with this audio tag as well. Like you can simply download your audio as well as you can set your playback speed too slow or maybe too fast as well. So let's have some more useful attributes that are there with this audio tag. Like you can also have the muted. So this will simply start your audio as muted. See, initially your audio will be muted with this attribute. Then you can simply have the loop attribute. So with this, your audio will get played repeatedly. So just like your audio, let's say you also want to have video for your website. So then you can choose this video tag as well. Here also you will need to have a source tag inside your video tag, just like your audio tag. So again, a source tag, then src attribute with the address of the video you want to have. So again, I simply have the address for the video. Here also you can have the absolute or relative links as well. Then again, here also you need to mention the type as well. So this time your type would be simply video and the format of the video that you have, that is simply this MP4. So let's have some line breaks in between. As if you will use CSS, that time you can style your web page. But for now, with HTML, to make it look a bit cleaner, you can simply go for this BR tag to simply have line breaks. So as we had this video link, so this time it's looking like an image, right? Without any controls. So again, you need to use controls attribute. See, this time we got the control for our video. Here also you can simply play and pause. Simply mute the volume as well. Then again, you can play the video in full screen. And again, you simply have the options as you had in your audio tag. And here also you can control the height and width of the video simply with these attributes. And here also you will have plenty of useful attributes just like for your audio tag you had. Like here also we have the autoplay, muted and loop. So you can try that as well for this video. And you can also embed a YouTube video or simply a Google map in your web page. So this thing will be done with the help of this iframe tag. So for this, what you can do, you can simply go to YouTube and simply search for any video you want. So let's say simply I'm searching for this song. So what you need to do, simply open the video and simply have a right click and select this option. That is simply copy embed code and simply paste that in your code. Proceed. So see, you simply got this video song embedded in a web page. And here also you can have the controls, like you can simply change this height and width to adjust the video accordingly for your websites or web pages. See, now you can play this video. Now you can play this video from your website as well. So yes, these were the key HTML media tags and their most useful attributes. So if you will practice this, you will make your web pages more engaging and attractive. So hope you understood about the media tags in HTML. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.